In order to make sure the economy and social benefits of major extractive investment into Sierra Leone reach and help local people, the government of Sierra Leone approved its first local content policy in May 2012, in keeping with its ultimate aim of reducing the country's 70% poverty rate. Delivering his opening remarks, Odiba Dabo, Director General Sierra Leone Local Content Agency, said as the theme for this year's exhibition is linking local entrepreneurs with the global markets, Sierra Leone Local Content Agency was established in 2016 by an act of parliament, as the agency is in charge with the responsibility to promote local content.
The usual annual trade fair and exhibition with the theme linking local entrepreneurs with the global markets. According to the TRC reports, which is the Truth and Reconciliation report, part of the reason that led to the 11 years civil war in Sierra Leone was the inequitable exploitation of the natural resources of naturally endowed nations such as ours in Sierra Leone. Following the end of the war, priorities and awareness on that idea left the government of Sierra Leone with no alternative but in 2012 to develop the local content policy units within the Ministry of Trade and Industry. In 2016, through an act of parliament, the Sierra Leone Local Content Agency was established, charged with the responsibility to ensure the implementation and compliance of local content provisions within the Act across sectors in the economy of Sierra Leone, and to promote the development of locals, especially those within the private sector space here in Sierra Leone.
Speaking on behalf of the entrepreneur, Nansu Fofana, Chief Executive Officer, Suzy Chili Coconut Oil, gave a brief history on how its products all started and advised all to support local content.
When I started, I was a bit apprehensive, thinking, is anybody going to buy what we're creating? My goal was to see whether our products would be actually appreciated by Sierra Leoneans themselves before thinking about exporting. So coconut oil, which is my product, is one of the most expensive agro-processing products that have not been used or in a way that we can say we've added value.
I've been a board chairperson for over a long time, as our role is to enrich local content, says Sibril Bailo, board chairperson, Sierra Leone Local Content Agency.
I became a board chair a little over a year or so ago. Our work primarily is about helping Sierra Leonean businesses grow. We're acting locally, but we need to think globally about what we're doing. And our role is to ensure that we bridge that gap.
Delivering his keynote address, Reverend Abraham Cisse Jones, Deputy Minister of Trade and Industry, said he liked the value addition on local content as the packaging is good. As a government, what they are looking for is to see that Sierra Leone has its own plastic for packaging our own local content.
I like the value addition. You know, for example, you have those with coconut oil, and the other lady is adding value to the coconut oil. I also admire them because the packaging is very good. But the trouble with packaging is that the packages have to be imported, so it adds cost to the product and makes it expensive and challenging for them to sell. So what we are looking for, in fact I'm talking to one of our development partners, is to see how they can help us with packaging. Yes. If we can get packaging companies in the country that can use our own plastic and also help us to manufacture paper, so that we can cut down on the cost of packaging. If packaging cost goes down, then it provides a big challenge for the other imported commodities and for us to compete.
Trade fair exhibition as short is another bold step of improvement and can raise the awareness of local content in a society within every country across the globe. Abubakar Sidiki Kamara reporting for FTN Stop News.